What's up everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to connect your Ton wallet with the Rocket Rabbit application. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to go to the airdrop section on the bottom right corner right over here. Once you go to the airdrop section, it will say that connect your wallet. So just go and tap on it. It will say connect your Ton wallet. Just tap on it. So if you have Ton wallet in your application, it will be simply connected with your application. So all you have to do is to go and click on open wallet in Telegram. So wait for a second till it gets load. So here what you have to do is to tap on connect wallet option. So once you do it, the wallet will be connected with the Rock Rabbit application. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.